pair of floral earring, we require a few tools. First is round nose plier, we need a cutter, and we need a flat nose plier. A few materials that we require are eye pins, 2 of them in the size 5 centimeter. What I've taken is bronze color. We need head pins, 2 of them in 4 centimeter and 2 of them in 3 centimeter size. We need brass caps like this in bronze color, 2 of them. We need 2 of the copper beads. We need floral beads, yellow color, and we need 6 crystal beads. What I've taken is in the size 4 mm. We need a pair of earring hooks. Let's make the earring. So to make the earring, first I take the head pin, I drop in 1 single crystal bead like this, and then I make a 90-degree angle at the base of it, and then make a loop like this. You need to be careful when you make the loop. It shouldn't come to the top of the other one. So in order to flatten it out, you just use your flat nose plier and just flatten this whole thing. I take the 3 centimeter head pin, same like the other one. I put in a crystal bead inside. I hold here. I bend this one, and then I make a loop. Taking care to flatten it out. This way, you have a different size in both these. Now what you need to do is, take your eye pin, you open it towards you this way, and just drop in these 2 inside this eye pin and just close them. Just move backward with that. You get a nice. If you don't do this part carefully, this portion will be stuck, and when you wear the earring, you will have some difficulty. Now, just put through your floral bead, your metal cap, 1 more crystal in red, and a copper bead. Now this should look like this. After putting your base copper bead, just hold the whole thing down and firm like this. Go right to the end of the bead with your round nose plier and give it a 90-degree bend. Then take your cutter, correctly when your finger ends, give it a nice neat cut. Ideally, this should be your measurement for the loop. Again, just as how I have taught you how to loop. Go the same double way. Give it a nice little loop. You flatten this thing. You take your ear wire, put it through. You have a nice floral here. In the same way, do with the other one. And you have a very beautiful hanging earring.